MS Word table la ko ton pai create to do manipulation by no table matang la chi ma na si menu bar aro insert ra nam la ko ni table la yu changa ni either kai palm this is row this is column no number of rows kai palm matung ni 3 4 5 no number of rows are there first column second column third column fourth column to kai darkar requirement ma tung ni kan select all of ya by default our lopina arrow kan ko nam kra tar so say we select this and say example we need 11 columns dagar we run the list now and then the code by mark the first any column hatra select all of either mouse or color by drag to you or the mouse cursor to tune or color press the shift key and click in the last column no in the last row select our whole column select no right click if you need any extra column column either in the left or in the right in the left to 9 10 will be in the right side in the right to run column 10 side right side no see this is the new column and if we add insert to the left of 9 left 10 no I need to remove some columns just select the columns you want to remove either drag to select to you or selection can have MS Word paragraph को formatting class now starting point here cursor I call up select the last point here mouse pointer I call up shift key number you want to select these 3 columns no and either are color the last column will be this one not like this now after the one row selection no after the single column and if you want to select the 3 make it the cross now either along you ending or opposite the ending shift key number no you can delete the columns see you can remove the columns if you don't need anymore timetable similar to class now Monday Tuesday Wednesday Thursday Friday Saturday Sunday I remove the delete cells yes delete the entire row okay so this is the example this is the first period second third no first period second period third period and harmony can 1 to 2 no 1 to 2 hai thau nei recreation ne matam pi aro 1 to 2 p.m. can sound matam half pi aro recreation to so if you want to make it recreation to sign ties to colors no recreation so it disturbs the size of the first row no so anam join pull up one cell hadik jadi oyu rest select the entire rows that you want to merge now yakani dulto bungo yakani merge the models now select it right click merge cells now see dulto entirety remaining select the rows like boom merge the rows rule है merge तो or either see 6 will be only one subject only subject no drawing no. Let me check new. No. Also example, we take two column, 3 rows. No. Arrow any number of rows है तो अरे last cell आसे arrow ने mouse cursor है खोला पे tab key है सी नाम का नाम से next page के आता automatic ले सी add लगतो तो स्ना okay आदि row add तो नहीं आदि रहा but column add तो नहीं application so यह ले रहा okay now another point like a single layer no but I need for this row I need one more partition here no that means as only a row no column so that we can do in two ways okay two ways in the sense that I just need one more partition here no either you can do this a column of 1 2 3 assume to make a file no and the remaining hay the kai palm can march to no I must and the kai palm sundam row arrow column sundam no that is one way to do that to obtain that from this figure okay and another way is just insert click in the insert and table or click to draw table to say a click to the palm column after the draw to that's it no answer again this is the shortcut no this will be better I think I don't know pencil la what to say you need more if you need more to draw like this there's things just I see what to go later if you are done with this just double click okay double click go to make your entries okay anything entry to table here entry to put hey so if you want to stay them let them put in the middle exactly after yadi thakra by not little no dagra arrow example if you hit enter dagra by yongo to thagan di gap tango thakna no so if you want right in the center not in the left not in the right not in the up not in the down right in the center no then what can you do is that select the layout no layout but before doing that kani ara home no see no this could be done but this brings only to the middle of that cell no ara ko atun ara ni gap tang ko ara ni gap sun ko id command ni matung ni di at middle ra yan nok la ni to an command ra lawla ya but still there is more gap in the right side what on it to kana di there are thagya se indian ase asa I ti are te cell hai right most hinda mang le ra hai ne to tinangi left key right key I space mana but what's the problem to nang ko le to ni dagani gap tang rawa thagani sun rawa and if you adjust with enter and the enter you kana ni thagani tang thong war tha dagan pick kora to haya kan ko to solve to kana ni just select it and go to the layout layout relation is the left corner down right up right okay so everything and this is the left center right center this will be the center of everything up down left right okay see the exact center and others so I tell like it and the layout go to the layout and like this layout hey alignment right click no table okay we have done this insert table draw table we have done this and quick table to table as I inbuilt on the like already format pilang lak khawa here kan direct low is the one go final just click here. This is also a table. Okay, ROI column partition ai height to khami law so ani anaka atul sim calendar type to rada atul sim pa manang our default way law here you can make changes from this or insert table to manang to guide first ani count dollar by select on the no, but if you already know a fixed number table ni use to a fixed number of columns ni 5 default will be the number of columns ni for example if you need 7 and number of rows ni 3 thousand adult direct entry this will come 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 okay 2 3 7 columns and 3 rows, that's all. Okay, that is another way. And another thing is quick tables. We got Excel spreadsheet. Excel spreadsheet key kani table oinila yado adia. Okay, so if you know something about Excel, the other what to say this is columns ni ani a b c tol chawa excel la no the rows ni 1 2 3 4 5 etal be cell ta banandi kari ja cell tal model dia and every cell hai kautul by identify to go ta banandi say example you just want to identify this location this cell then first row we I column ko no column relate to D column right row and 7 so this will be known by D7 okay so the table hai MS Word we can Excel spreadsheet the table hai direct low la so from here you can say serial number name amount okay or address amount no phone number okay 1 2 3 1 2 3 once later you select it and drag adult corner drag it to your automatically serial number insert to the for example amount of no so you need the sum of the amount everything you can do here and once these things are done click to here typically I say this is the early maka the Excel amount later no once you are done you click here. Now this menu bar is for MS Word. MS Word bar menu bar all the time. Doing the Excel layers now. So you can arrow 1 2 3 4 5 drag to your automatic autofill to so hey bakani MS Word kasi to ya. Just example adia no. Serial number. Cái serial number है R有the one no 1 2 say example only 1 comma 2 comma run table yung the 3 comma manually enter to lang tapos and at some point of time serial number 2 I data kan data ungkura delete to lang tapos and I serial number sumang mang mo to already 3 so 3 is 3 later 2 hay delete to chara and doing a sequence line makia sequence is to mang paste to lang di you can autofill to so I use to do how can we do that to Excel to so first row just select no either 2 cells or already built or label number of rows so I select to by go to home and see in this step bullet stars around me only symbols but here around me numbering are you numbering either one full stop 2 full stop 3 to start yo 1 bracket and the nepa mong so hey you call them. For example we do this one again. Arrow to kai accelerator di select the point drag it on the here number in automatic hinga. Now in this MS Word, keep your mouse cursor in the last cell. Last cell right F key है यूँ नाम के ऐसे automatic ऐसे fill in तो दिया 4 5 6 तो आता fill in तो दिया नहीं है नहीं खुद नहीं manual ये लाने दागा दांगा and say at some point asal number 10 ना data है दागा उनको तो क्लास है delete तो है राव cell आदि column row आदि सिले ना की I sequence the serial to 9, 10, 11 to 0. Update this automatically. The autofill to the camera to the header. Delete to here. Later, data roll here. Numbering go go the automatic update to the also. Plus sign. Num low. It will be underscore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 to go nahi table hai the cell size to no hai attack 1 underscore is equal to 1 space bar. Okay, so anything plus now 1 cell is complete. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and the hand to kai column by say and the part to no adult number of this is first column, second column, third column, and hit enter. First of all, 5 underscore mathang 7 mathang 3 mathang 10 so hey mathang I column he packet no. So that's all for today.